Hey guys, good evening. How are you? Super. Online people, good evening, ma. Chalo, open your Jupyter notebooks. Open your Jupyter notebooks. Yesterday assignment completed. I waited till 12:30. Till 12:30 I waited for you. Then I went slept. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. थोड़ा ऐसे confidence मेरे को दे तो थोड़ा अच्छा होता. Like that I will also become more energetic while to teach more concepts the more energetic way. If you don't do anything, then you know, if one guy will sleep, another guy will sleep automatically. Sleep is a disease. You know that? Don't know? While you're traveling on the car, why people will say that don't sleep? Your driver also will sleep. You never hear this. So if you are energetic, I am energetic. If I am energetic, you will be energetic. Simple, ma. Okay, make me happy, I will make you happy. Okay, simple. See, that's all. So you should do only study. That is only my requirement. And you should show your work. Yes, sir, I am doing. Yes, sir, I am struggling. Yes, sir, I am learning. Then I can keep that in mind. At right point of time, at right time, I will push you. So if you are not study, also I can listen. I can keep here in my mind. I can't push you. So there are two jobs are there. I want push only one guy. One guy. So whom I can push? Huh? This 5 months, who studied? That can only I can push them. I usually do that only because success, I believe, is a journey. Success is a journey. So today you are done mean that is not success. Today I am here mean that is not success. It's a journey only, always. In the journey, you might have one step back, two step ahead. Everything is possible. But you follow the journey or you stop the journey. That is the important thing. Everyone, in the life, they can face a lot of struggles. Generally, I ask sometimes, madam, what do you want in the life? I want happy. Hey, nahi milta happy. That is, everyday happy, nahi milta. Simple. So don't say that I want happy. That is. In the life, what do you want means, in the life you want to learn. You want to learn every day. Not only subject, everything you should learn. So life is a process, learning process, journey. I hope you are just young guys. So Mera Marat Mahan. Chalo, in operator. In operator. In operator. Admin is saying something. What is saying, Ra? AC coming, Achina? AC వస్తుందా వస్తలేదు కదా మా ఏసీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రే హాస్టల్ ఇన్ హాస్టల్ ఏసీ అవైలబుల్ నో హౌ విల్ మేనేజ్ ద సమ్మర్ రా హౌ విల్ మేనేజ్ ద సమ్మర్ అండర్స్టూడ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ రా అండర్స్టూడ్ ఏసీ వస్తలే एसी एसी। अरे लैब में एसी मिलता। हाँ लैब में आ जाओ। लैब में आ जाओ, लैब में एसी मिलता। चलो, so we have seen in the for loop two operators. One is range operator, another one is in operator. In operator. Range means the sense is the math family. Math family. So we need a number. We need a number. Range means math family. We need a number. In operator means direct access the element. Access the element directly. Access the element directly. Yasan, Anirudh, Swagat, Shanti. अरे क्या हुआ रे? Only 5 members are responding in the class. Online people are always, they feel like that. There is a one joke is there. The comedian will say that, come out, come out, come out. No one will come out. Then comedian says that, Are, this is not Zoom meeting, come out. Like that. That means a fun is a comedy on the online people generally. They'll never talk. They don't know what they are doing. So we need to change that online things. What is the meaning of this? Look at the board. Python. Python is a string chinna. P in Python. True or false? It is a question. P in Python available or not available? Available. Very good. And Y in Python available or not available? Yes, very good. Similarly, capital T in Python available or not available? Then what will come? False will come. So that is available accessing. P is directly represent from which word ma? Python. And similarly, H in Python, H in Python, and then O in Python, O in Python, and N in Python. N in Python. So now a good student can understand this. What is common, what is changing? Bolo, what is common? For loop means that is only dialogue, na? What is the dialogue? What is common? What is changing? Bolo, what is common, what is changing in this? P changing, Y changing, T, H, O, N. Change है तो क्या लिखना? I. Change है तो क्या लिखना? I. Next, in. Next, I in. Next, Python. Next, I in Python. करो for I in Python, print I. Do it. For I in Python, print I. For I in Python, print I. For I in Python. In the summer, they will increase the hostel fee. Water problem, na? Pura Amirpet. Tankers will come now. Tankers will come. Fans will not work. You tell me, what is that I in Python? You join next just now, ma. Swagat. Join just now. Huh? Bolo chinna Swagat. No? Tell me. In this, what is common, what is changing? In this 5-6 lines. What is common, what is changing? In ఏంటి changing? Common. Common is Python. Not in. In is this. In is also common. Then what is changing? What is changing, Chinna? Changing kya? I is changing. PYTH1 changing. Correct? Acha, except Swagat, everyone is saying answer. Areva. Swagat Chinna. Bolo nani. Only Swagat should say. In this, who is changing? I is changing. I kidhar re, Swagat. I am asking exactly in this. In this, I kidhar re. I kidhar hai? Swagat, in this exactly, are you seeing my board? Are you seeing other board? P in Python, Y in Python, T in Python, H in Python, O in Python, N in Python. What is changing? Sujit is saying correct. Avi is saying correct. I am waiting for Swagat reply. What is changing, Swagat? Once Swagat said, then only I will move the class. किधर गया स्वागत? फर्स्ट लेटर कौन है? बोलो, लेटर कौन है? खत्म. स्वागत, पापा जी का नाम क्या? बोलो स्वागत, पापा जी का नाम क्या? हाँ? See, my name is Omkar Nallagoni. My papa ji ka name is Ellaya Nallagoni. Now my mama name is Ishwari Nallagoni. Madam name is Chamanti Nallagoni. Don't laugh. Acha name na. What is common? What is changing? Common क्या है स्वागत? Common क्या? Nallagoni common. Changing क्या? We are all which family? Belongs to which family? Belongs to N. N Nallagoni family. Which family? Who is? 4 members. That's why what? I in Nallagoni. I in Nallagoni. समझ गए अभी? What is common? What is changing means? P changing, Y changing, T changing. So whatever changing, we are keeping what? Variable. What is common? What is changing? Simple. And that we need to apply what? For loop. For loop लगाओ. For I in Python. Who is I now? Who is I? I can be P. I can be Y. I can be T. I can be H. I can be O. I can be N. So in operator is used to direct accessing of the strings. Whenever you work for strings, you need to operate which operator? In operator. Whenever you work for numbers, you need to use range operator. So for I in range, you can't do like this. For I in range of Python, error will come. What will come? Error. Why? Range, which family? Mathematics. What is we are expecting? Number. Number chahiye. So error will come. Simple. In means direct to English. Range means number. For example, here instead of string str1 is equal to Python I am giving. Then for in str1, for in str1, then print I, then again it will work because we are simply adding what? Variable in Python codes. Here I am writing end equal to like this. For example, Chinna, for I in range of str1 works of failure. Works of failure. Huh? Bolo, second one works of failure. Why? Why fails? Loudly. Range means what? Number. What you provided? String. Very good. For example, if I provided length of string, then length means kitna? Number kitna? 5. Automatically what the answer will come? 5 will come. Understood? No? Samajh gaya? So range needs what? Number. In needs what? Strings. Not on it. Together. Chat is not working. Omega. Raise your hand. So you people are not getting chat working. Huh? I will talk to admin team. Don't worry. Very good. Yeah, can you see my chat? Esma Hassan. Only you. I'm only the important person, no? Okay, working then. Super. Next. A equal to A. Works of fail. Loudly. Fail. Correct. A double equal to A. Works. But we are checking what? Condition. Double equal to means what? Condition. True or false? True or false? Pakka. Very good. Capital small a greater than capital A. True or false? False. Because you don't like small. Huh? A true answer. Okay. Now you got it, the point. True or false? False. अरे above one true, below one कैसे false होता है भाई? हाँ? I'm just confusing you. You are right. Now this is called, what is the name is called? ASCII. What is the full form of ASCII? American Standard Code. Bro, हाँ अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड बताओ. इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन interchange. It is a information interchange, Chinna. We are changing the information. What is the meaning of information? Look at the board, Chinna. Don't by heart the definitions. Small a number, nothing but 97. Kitna? Information interchanged or not? For that, which code we are using? American code. Which code? That's what the name is called what? American Standard Code. We are using for what? Information interchange. Bolo, what is the full form? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Small a equal to 97 ma, capital A is equal to 65. Capital A is equal to 65. They already decided, that is. Before develop the computer programming only, they develop the code. That is. So that's why the computer is taking automatically. So for that, we have two methods are there, Chinna. Put setting CHR and ORD. CHR, ORD. CHR, ORD. CHR, ORD. ORD of small a 97 मिलता. ORD of a small a what will come? 97. Capital A करो. Capital A is equal to what ma? 65. Now opposite. CHR of 97. Opposite. CHR of 97. Small a. CHR of 65. Capital A. So that is your ORD and CHR. ORD and CHR. So read it, ma. ORD converts character to number. CHR converts number to character. ORD converts character to number and CHR converts number to character. Now question number. Write a program, display all the ASCII numbers for A to Z values. A to Z values for I in colon ORD of I karna. Like that, simple na idea. Iterate the for loop. Iterate through for loop. Iterate through for loop. మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ టైం వాళ్ళు పాపం బాగా ఫీల్ అయినట్టారా లాస్ట్ టైం వాళ్ళకి క్లాసులు చెప్పలేదంట పాస్ అయినా లేట్గా రిజల్ట్స్ ఇచ్చారట క్లాసెస్ కూడా చెప్పలేదంట బాగా ఇబ్బంది అయ్యారు ఫ్యాకల్టీ అవైలబుల్ అదే ఇద్దాం అట్లా ఇద్దామా చెప్పాను నేను బ్యాచ్ అయిపోయింది కదా ఎట్లా లేట్ అవుతుంది కదా ఇంకో
క్వాలిఫై అయిన వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ లిస్ట్ అలాగే ఉంటుంది ప్లేన్ మెథడ్ చేయాల్సి స్క్రీన్ మీద
వాళ్ళు ఫిల్ చేయాలి ఇది
స్కాన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది సార్ ఇంకో స్కానర్ కూడా పెట్టాను అది ఓపెన్ చేయండి తర్వాత
ఎప్పుడుంది ఎగ్జామ్ మార్చ్లోనా 19th
స్కానర్
వీళ్ళు ఎలిజిబుల్ ఉండరు అది ఈ బ్యాచ్ కొత్త వాళ్ళు కదా 7 PM పైథాన్ రాయమన్నాం బట్టి గ్రూప్లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేద్దాం నైన్టీన్త్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ కదా
సండే
లేదు 19th ఎటు కాకుండా పెట్టారు వెన్స్డే పెట్టారు వెన్స్డే ఎటు కాకుండా పెట్టారు రెగ్యులర్ డేస్లో అయితే తక్కువ ఉంది పెట్టేస్తాను చెప్తాను Yes, announcement is there, ma. That's actually not for you. That's actually not for you, but you can also write that exam. Screening exam is date is announced. I told na every 2 months screening test will be happened in the Naresh IT. So those who are qualified in that, those who are qualified, they can get the placement session, screening test. Okay. So whenever you open any poster, you need to read each and every line. Read it exclusive for which students? So don't ask me again other students, your friends. Screen test on full stack and AWS, and unfortunately you are not eligible for anything because your data science not completed kya and Python be not completed kya. But here some people already know Python and that is the opportunity for you. You already completed the Python, that is the opportunity for you. And selected students shall get they will conduct one placementship. Generally, I usually take the data science screening batch. other trainers will take the Python batch. So this time I'm not freely available. That's why we did not conducted the data science screening batch also. But data science थोड़ा मुश्किल होता. But your main aim is to not do for Python. Everyone, by the next week, some Python will complete it. Some Python means we almost by going to list. But that is not enough for the exam. But at least you will go and sit in the exam. At least whatever you know that you can attempt it. That is. Your chance will come next 2 months. Your chance will come next 2 months. And by the time of, I think you are both eligible for Python and data science. By the time you can choose that. Your chance will come next 2 months, not now. But my thing is, you can go that and you can do that. And it's completely offline exam. Online exam nahi hai, because we not believe the online. Na? It is a important exam. Na? Exam must be online only. So offline. Okay. Till now 30% only completed. And test date 19th March and 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is exam. So 80% course syllabus is completed means no one will ask you when you apply it, the 80% completed, 100% completed, no one will ask you. So this is not for you, but this give the motivation. You need to aim for next 2 months. Okay, this give the motivation. This is not for you. You need to aim for the next 2 months. Next 2 months, anyhow, by the time of Python will be completed and data analyst also will be completed. And then if you apply for the Python course, and definitely you'll be crack it. And then you can attend the parallelly Python class also. And Naresh IT will invite the companies, placement assistants, and you can get the job. At least Python job will be ready in your hand. That is next 3 months. That is. And you are getting the best of the best training. So many of my students got selected in the Python batch. That is in the immediately only. So I will talk to them what kind of questions are coming. And I'm sharing this QR code also in the Google Classroom. You can scan and you can apply it. And you can get in the Twitter, you can get in the Instagram, you can get in the LinkedIn, wherever you see this poster will be available now. Okay. Chalo. Good. At least they are initiating that. This is we introduced last year only. We introduced last year only. Concentrate Python. Concentrate on Python only. Python is at most important. Python is most important. If you learn the Python, you'll get a confident on the data analyst. Then you can get the confident on the data scientist. You will get any job easily. That is, I'm sure I'm telling that. Those who are not getting jobs means you're not practicing well. And this is a institute. This is a institute. You are paying only 25K. 10 years back only I paid 5 lakhs. 10 years back only. 5 lakhs is my fee in the IIT. Now how much fee? 25 lakhs is the fee. That is. Now you are paying how much? 25,000. You need to learn. You need to grab the opportunity here. No one will come and feed you in your mouth here. फर्क होता ना 1 lakh phone 10,000 phone फर्क होता ना that is. So you need to grab the opportunity, but the same quality you will get it, quality of training you will get it. That can assure that. That is, wherever you go, you are the best students you will become because your trainer is Omkar sir. That I can assure. चलो next. For बोलो क्या किया रे? I in बोलो हाँ रेंज रेंज का एक रच ना ABCD चाहिए ना रा A to Z ना हाँ बोलो A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z ऐसे लिख दिया हाँ import we did not import strings. Those who are done like this, you have only 2 marks. You have only 2 marks. Import strings karo. Instead of this, क्या करना? Import strings. Import strings. String or strings? String. Then string dot ASCII values. Now you got it, right? Why we are learning that? String dot ASCII, lower case available, upper case available. So for I in string dot uppercase print I, we don't want I ना चिन्ह, what do we want? ORD, उसका नंबर चाहिए, उसका नंबर चाहिए, ORD of I, comma END colon comma ले लो, like this. A is equal to 65, B is equal to 66. I told us success is a journey. You need to keep on practice. Then opportunities will come. You need to utilize that. Generally, I usually set up the data science paper. I can't give the paper also now. Cheating. Because your course is not yet completed. Na? मैं क्या करूं? Like that. For I in string dot ASCII uppercase. लोअर केस करो, पंक्चुएशंस करो, फटाफट करो मां. Punctuations, lower case, punctuations. How can you know A greater than capital A? You just want by heart it. Chinna, Raghu, how can you know A greater than capital A? बोलो रघु, समझ गए नहीं गए? In what scenario? Scenarios will come in future in the machine learning. You need to wait for that. You can't understand now if I say that. Just follow the class. Okay? String dot punctuations will be available. Punctuations. Punctuations will be available. Punctuation means exclamatory mark, and each and every punctuations will be there. And each and every punctuation is one value again. So A greater than A is not a scenario. Raghu, do you feel? If anyone asks you, how can you say that? Is A greater than A or less than A? What is your answer in the interview? Small A only, na? Then if interview asks you how, what you will say? ASCII value. Then interview asks you, tell me about ASCII value, how you do Python. Next question that only, na? Then if you don't say that, do you think he will happy? Raghu? Tell me. Everything you should learn. Chinna, what is the starting Chinna? 30? What might be the ending Chinna? 122. Can we write in the order? Na? what are the ASCII values numbers present then? Chalo, for loop karo. For I in range of, by blind shot, I am taking 33 starting. 33 to, because I am seeing 33 na. Chalo, 20 le lo, 20. I don't know, less than 33, any numbers are available? And more than 126 also, anything might be available, 150 le lo. Check it. Now check that what are the characters are available. क्या करना now? CHR करना. क्या करना? CHR. We'll write F string. I colon CHR of I. Those who are already know Python, now you should write the Python. You learn in the college days, na? How many are learn the college days Python? Or college days or before? 1, 2, 3, 4. And definitely you need to crack the exam. 1, 2, both hands, huh? 2 times you learn, huh? Parthamesh, huh? And 4 members. You do one thing. I will start the OOFs concept tomorrow in the 9 a.m. batch. Just come and sit. Okay. At least you can write, you can perform better in the class. So actually data analyst going on, data analysis. So, but I did not teach the OOFs concept tomorrow them. Though exam is coming now, so I will teach to them OOFs concept next 3 days. So that you can also practice, they also can practice. So you both can ready for the exam. Chalo, next. Very good. Online, ama. Online chinna, you want to write the exam, screening exam? Message me. Question marks are nara. Question marks. Question marks. Question marks. Question marks nahi chahiye. Question mark means number ille. Where it is starting now? 33 only shuru. 33 to 127 space ra. Means 128. These are available things. These are available things. Getting now? How to use CHR, how to use ORD. Not only this. Now you can give some random numbers. Other language letters also will be available. Suppose by mistakenly I given 233 to 328. Some Greek आ गया. Do you notice? Greek letters आ गया. In the same way, some Chinese, some Urdu and Bengali also will be available. Hindi also. Can you find it? Can you find it, ma? In the which range your language is available? In which language Telugu letters will be available? Telugu. In which number Hindi will be available? Do it. Do the cross check. Explore it. In which number Odia is available? I like Odia. जल्दी लाओ ओडिया. कैसे बोलता है ओडिया? How are you means? कैना? केमी अच्छो? ओ 1% बोल रहा है. हाँ बोलो. केमिति अच्छो? केमिति अच्छा? बढ़िया ना? केमिति अच्छा? कल्ली क्लास आउची. Means tomorrow class is there na? Ouchi. Find out. Kali class Habbaki. Habbaki means it's there, huh? मिल गया तेलुगु ओडिया यू आल्सो फ्रॉम ओडिया किधर है नंबर कितना now odia people say na that odia letters be ready for that 2821 to 2928 ये क्या रहे लेटर क्या हाँ अरे वेरी टफ रहा दिस इज आई कांट राइट दिस हाँ मराठी मराठी मिल गया हाँ ओडिया पीपल फाइंड आउट मराठी तेलुगु हिंदी तेलुगु कितना रहे अच्छा 2929 टू 3100 ले लो ये आ गया रहा किधर रह रहा है तमिल ऑल्सो तमिल दिस इज 3077 बोलो मा अल बोलो टेल मी यू नो फॉरगेट చెప్పరా అల్ చెప్పరా చల్ తప్పు లెటర్లనే ఆస్కి మా ఆస్కి అరే రామాయణ లిజన్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ రామాయణ సీతనా బిలాల్ ఖాన్ సిహెచ్ఆర్ అండ్ అవార్డి from past 40 minutes we are doing the same thing bilal should find out the arabic bilal tell me arabic number kitna urdu 1570 where can I get good halim sarvi sarvi banjarel sarvi సికింద్రాబాద్ చర్చి దగ్గర ఉండేదా వాడు ఏమిటిది సార్వి ఆడ బాగుంటుందా I had with pista house that is not good I didn't like from pista house so many people said that pista house is good but not good this Sunday I will have sarvi then कैफ टेबल किधर है मासअप टैंक you know very well foodie foodie then we'll go for biryani then chalo completed only hindi not able to find कितना 2309 24 2419 ले लो ये आ गया so what you are understanding this will go in the natural language processing there it will touch natural language process okay NLP the NLP subject again this will come in your lives all the languages everything how to understand and everything so make sure that ASCII is the biggest thing ASCII Chinese will be available Korea will be available the best part is they will always do the experiment on the Indian languages only because in India so many languages are there these many languages in country you will never find out when I went in the Google office generally my job is on the Google reviews how to make that good accurate using the AI LLM model on the Google reviews, on the Google Maps. So they usually talks, they always focus on the Indian languages only because India has many languages. That is, they will increase the accuracy on like that. So Mera Bharat Mahan. Good. Next, open the new notebook, while loop. While loop. Session number 14. Yeah. While loop, ma. While loop is used for, while loop is similar to for loop only, but while loop iterate infinite times till the condition met. Condition met. In for loop range, we have three indicators. Start, stop, step. Where stop indicates how many times the loop should run. How many times the loop should run. But in while loop, we can implement stop condition also, stop also. But the main use of while loop, you can iterate through till condition met. There is no number limit. Till condition met, you can do that. We can iterate till condition met. Till condition meets. While loop is similar to for loop. But while loop iterate infinite times till the condition meets. Till the condition meets. In for loop range, we have three indicators. Now look at the board. Any loop, we need three things. What are those? Initialization, condition, increment, decrement. Correct, Amma? Bolo. Any loop, again write it. Any loop, we need three things. First one is initialization. Initialization. First one is initialization. First one is initialization. Next one is condition. And last one is increment or decrement. Initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Initialization, condition, increment or decrement. You should not forget this. Always you need to concentrate on this. In what is the initial point, what is the condition to go inside the loop, and what is the increment or decrement. That is. Now, but if you see in the for loop, Chinna, very, very important. Look at the board. In for loop, all three are in single line. This is the biggest difference for loop and while loop. All three are in single line, which indicates for I in range of start comma, stop comma, step. All three are in single line only. But in while loop, all three are in three lines. All three are in three lines. That is only the difference. But in while loop, all three are in three lines. But in while loop, all three are in three lines. So first, you need to write the initial point, and second, you need to write while condition colon, and here you can write any Python code. What do you want? Which Python code you want? Write that you can write Python code, and then in the last, either you want increment or decrement. This is the wrapper, increment or decrement. If for everyone, when written the while loop, you should follow this wrapper. People feel like the while loop is tough, but you should understand while loop is very easy. While loop is a chocolate wrapper. Always these three lines are fixed lines. Initial point, while condition, inside increment, decrement. Pakka lines, all three lines. Initial point. Clear among online people? Initial point, while condition, increment or decrement. Initial point, while condition, increment or decrement. Look at the board. The wrapper will be always like this. Bolo, start the what is the wrapper? First one. Bolo. Initial point. What is your starting point? Next, while condition. What do you write here? Condition. Colon. And then you can write any lines here, your Python lines. What will come? Your Python lines. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. And last, what will write? Either you want incrementa or decrementa. That's all. This is only the wrapper. Increment or decrement? Increment or decrement? Bolo ma, again repeat karo. What is the first point ma? Next point ma? Last point ma? Again loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bas. Now we'll take one question now. Let's take that for loop. For I in range of 1 to 10, I want to print 10. Print I. I want to print I. Now tell me here, what is the starting point to, what is the stopping point to, what is the condition in this? Tell me that first. Rajendra, क्या रे राजेंद्र, क्या हुआ? Answer is no for number at least. కుచ్ బి. రాజేందర్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు చిన్న? ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు. నువ్వే క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తున్నావు, నువ్వే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నావు ఏంటి? బోలో. I equal to 1. करेक्टा? I बताओ, I equal to कितना? 1. Okay, initial point over. Condition क्या? Condition means what? When to stop. And that condition means you should go inside, you should go outside. Okay, it's like a Padma Vyuham. You should go inside, you should come out what? Outside also re bro, otherwise khatam jindai. That condition chahiye. Now condition, what is the condition here? When I reaches to 10 or 9? 9 ra. When I reaches to 9, loop should what? Stop. That is the condition. Loop should stop. This is the condition. It is increment or decrement? Increment or decrement? Increment by kitna? So I equal to I plus 1. So this is what initial point, this is what condition, and this is what increment, decrement. Now look at the board. Look at the board ma. Exactly I am writing for loop. What is the starting ma? I equal to 1. Initial point. Correct? Next what is ma? While condition. What is the condition ma? I reaches to 9. The condition should give go inside as well as go outside. As of now, don't worry about the condition. So I'm keeping as like this. I don't know what is the condition, but I know the wrapper. What is the wrapper? Initial point, while condition, go inside. Inside क्या लिखना? Whatever under the print, under the for loop, exactly copy that, exactly paste here. Because under the while loop, what did you write? Python lines, na? So exactly under print, exactly under for loop, what is available ma? Print. Copy that and paste here. And the last, what is the wrapper? I equal to I plus 1. Bolo here. Initialization, condition, your Python line, and your increment. समझ गया? Everyone, चलो note down it. Online people clear ma? Follow the wrapper. Initial point, while condition, and write your Python code and increment or decrement. Now tell me the condition and check the answer. Simple. What are the possible conditions are available? In order to go inside, I less than equal to 9. Any other conditions? Pele will talk about that. Tell me the condition to go inside. Tell me the condition to go inside. Infinite conditions will come. I greater than 2, I greater than 3, I less than 2, I less than 3, I less than 4, I less than 5. These all are valid condition to go inside chinna. समझ गया? Because I कितना? 1 less than 2, true or false? So go inside okay. I kitna? 1. I less than 3. True or false? Can I go inside? Yes. I kitna? 1. I less than 4. True or false? Can I go inside? Like that, how many conditions will come? Huh? Infinite conditions will come. But not only go inside, like Abhimanyu. You need to come outside also, like Arjuna. You need to come outside also. You need to come outside also. Then who is that guy? Now, how can you come outside means what? Whenever it is reaches to 9. When it reaches to 9, automatically the number should become what happen? 10 less than 9, then it will be stopped. So what is the condition now? What is the condition? I less than 10 na? Pakka. I less than 10 na? Pakka. Let's see. बोलो मत चिन्ना. Step number 1. Exactly बताओ. Step number 1. I कितना? 1. Okay bro, very good. Next. While 1 less than 10. True or false? True. Okay, I'm going inside. Then print I कौन है? 1. Okay, I'm printing 1. Next. I equal to old I कितना? 1 plus 1. Then what is the new I? 2. That is step number 1 analysis. That is step number 1 analysis. समझ गए? Like step number 2 analysis बोलो. We'll repeat only 3 steps. बोलो माँ. Step number 2 analysis. Now I कितना? 2. 2 less than 10. Correct or false? True. Then what is the print? 2. Then what is the new? 2 plus 1 कितना? Somewhere step number 9. Somewhere step number 9. Then I equal कितना होता? 9 होता. I equal कितना होता? Then 9 less than 10. True or false? True. Then print क्या? 9. Then new I क्या? 9 plus 1 is equal to? Now last step. Step number 9. After that, step number 10. I is equal to 10. Then 10 less than 10. True or false? False. Then code will stop. So 1 to कितना नंबर प्रिंट होता? 9. समझ गया अभी? चलो check it. Exactly, you need to write like me. Then only you'll understand in the starting days. I know the subject. I am writing or not? Then you are learning. You should definitely write like this. I know many people are not writing like this because you feel like that you understood. Opportunity will come. You need to utilize mass. Suddenly exam they will announce. You are not preparing well. Then you will miss it. Okay, na? Chalo. Online people, good now, ma. Can you please confirm the chat? Write a program, print 1 to 10, just now completed. Write a program, print 10 to 1. Write a program, print -1 to 10, -1 to -10. Write a program, print -10 to -1. Use your brain and do it. First do with for loop and then try with while loop. With for loop we did this. Do it, do it. Don't go into Padma Vyuha. Infinite loop aata. Already coming, huh? I know. Infinite loop will come. Use your brain, don't use ChatGPT. Completed, huh? How many are done? Remaining people got stuck, huh? चलो let's see. For loop में करो पहले. For I in range of 10, 1, minus 1, works of fail. So 0. Now what is the starting point? 10 na 0 na. ले लो. I equal to 10. I equal to 10. Next while. Next while. While condition. I don't know any condition, Chinna. First to create the wrapper, then talk about the condition. Then print I. Under whatever the for loop, under whatever the line is there, that simply copy and paste here. That's all. Not copied properly. Huh? Then it is a decrement or increment? Decrement. It is a decrement. So I is equal to I minus 1. Now think about the condition. It should be entry chinna and it should be come out. When it reaches to 1 only, when it reaches to 1 only, it should be stop. Bolo. I greater than 0 na? Then I greater than 0. Works? When it go to minus 1, when I go to minus 1, it decreasing mode na chinna. Pakka increasing mode means 10 is equal to greater than 0. Greater than 0 means okay, fine. It works only. Then 9 greater than 0. Then 8 greater than 0. It keep on go. Why 10 9 chinna? Because it is what? Decrement. Then somewhere it is 0 greater than 0 will come. What will come? 0 greater than 0 will come. Then it is false. Then it is false. Before that 1 greater than 0 will come. Then it is true. So it works or fail? Works. Are you getting this? Very simple ma. Here I greater than 0, 10 greater than 0, confirm. 10 after cone will come. 9 will come. Why? Because I minus 1. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. 0 greater than 0. Stop. Easy only, na? Next question. -1 to -10 chinna. -1 to -10. First to write the for loop. First write the for loop. For I in range of -1 to -10 is increment or decrement? Increment or decrement? -1 plus 1 you are adding, -1 minus 1 you are adding. -1 minus 1 only you are adding. Correct? Then print I comma end equal to colon and then this what it give? Level. Now what is the starting point? Create a wrapper first. What is the starting point? Bolo. Bolo everyone. Create the wrapper. I is equal to next while condition. Forget about the condition, Chinna. Don't worry about the condition. First to create the wrapper. Create the code first. Then think about the condition. Then क्या करना? Print I end. Then what is the increment or decrement? Increment or decrement? बताओ ना. I equal to I minus 1. Now think about the condition. Now think about the condition. Condition entry करना. Whenever it reaches to 10, stop करना. बोलो. I greater than minus 10 na minus 11 na somewhere I reaches to where ma minus 10 greater than minus 11 na minus 10 greater than minus 11 na అవును true or false true then true అయితే it will go again entry na you need to stop the code na अरे you need to stop the code na re it reaches to it should stop na then stop the code na क्या रे హలో చెప్పరా చిన్న ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఆప్షన్లు మెసేజ్ చేయరా మెసేజ్ చేయి వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయి చూస్తా बोलो -10 -11 ट्रू चिन्ना फॉल्स नहीं है वी नीड टू स्टॉप द कोड ना ये ट्रू है तो एंट्री होता क्या करना आई लेस देन -10 ना आई लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 ना then I become somewhere -10 na that is also true condition only na where it will stop condition batao come on aptitude RS Agarwal RRB exam SSC exam batao na aptitude question I greater than -10 na -11 na I greater than -11 hai to when reaches to 10 it is entry hota na ma then 10 के बाद when 11 आता false आता 12 also then you are right Ray your brain is working very good super next last one last one ఫస్ట్ గండి మేసమ్మ పెట్టుకో తర్వాత అబిడ్స్ పెట్టుకో అబిడ్స్ పెట్టుకో అబిడ్స్ పెట్టుకో అబిడ్స్ ఫస్ట్ గండి మేసమ్మ ఉంది కదా మనకు పంపిన ఫోటోలో ఉంది ఫస్ట్ అయితే అబిడ్స్ పెట్టుకో అబిడ్స్ మైసమ్మ కూడా పెట్టుకో థర్డ్ హయత్నార్ పెట్టుకో లాస్ట్ వన్ మా ఫర్ లూప్ प्राइन रेंज ऑफ बोलो -10 to -1 ना इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट इंक्रीमेंट इट वर्क्स ना वाइल लूप पहले क्या करना 0 ना चिन्ह 0 इनिशियल पॉइंट I इक्वल टू रैपर क्रिएट करो I इक्वल टू -10 while condition colon then print exact line first wrapper create karo don't be hurry I is equal to I plus 1 ho gaya wrapper ho gaya now think about the condition condition whenever it reaches to -1 we need to stop and it should be entry chahiye bolo I less than 0 na. So somewhere it is reaches to 0. I less than equal to 0. Okay na chinna. 0 not okay. 0 okay.
బ్యాచ్ ఉంది మొత్తం వాయిస్ ఆ రూమ్ లో మీదే ఉంది సార్ కొంచెం వాల్యూమ్ తక్కువ
అయ్యో సరే వాల్యూమ్ తక్కువ పెట్టు. అవర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ సో హ్యూజ్. సరే చలోమ్మా లాస్ట్. అది కొత్త బ్యాచ్ ఎన్ని గంటలకు అది? అది ఇలా పెట్టి వీళ్ళు షిఫ్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. ఈ 7 PM బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళు తక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళు 102లో వేయచ్చు కదా. 7:15కి వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ మంది ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఇలా షిఫ్ట్ చేయి. ఎక్కువ ఉండరా? 4-5 మెంబర్సా? ఓకే. లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్ చిన్న. వైల్ లూప్ ఈజ్ యా, ఫర్ లూప్ ఈజ్ యా? ఫర్ లూప్ ఈజీ రా, వైల్ లూప్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. వైల్ లూప్ యూనిట్ ఇస్ బ్రెయిన్ నా. వైల్ లూప్ యూనిట్ ఇస్ బ్రెయిన్. Sir, I don't want to use brain, sir. Then for them your option is there. Okay. Those who doesn't want to use the brain, they can apply true. Always true. True मतलब क्या? Always entry. Entry only. Exit इल्ले. Always entry only. Exit करने के लिए this code, when we want to stop, tell me this code. When I reaches to 1. So now enter if condition. If I equal to 1, apply break. Because you know output, you know input, you don't know condition. You don't know condition. Condition के लिए always what? True. Inside somewhere, whenever you reach to 1, then apply the break. Then apply the break. Understood? So this I equal to I minus 1. Getting my online people? Online students? So break. Always here increment after you have to apply the break. Can you do fatafat breaks for everything? All the other codes? All the other 3 codes. Now this code for break. Now, when it you want to stop? When it reaches to? Always true. If I reaches to, then apply what? Break. Simple code. Getting what I'm saying? Do it. Apply the break. Apply the break. Note on it. Always true. Then whenever the exact number, which number you want, desired number, that reaches to equal to, then apply break. In this case, I equal to I minus 1 ऊपर में लगो आ जाता. 10. Then I equal to 0 लगाओ. Then 10 to 1 आता. Getting online people, this is the easiest solution. Those who doesn't want to apply the brain. Always truly go. You know starting value, you know ending value. Whenever you know incrementa, decrementa, simple. You know incrementa, decrementa. You know starting value, you know last value. Whenever it reaches to last, apply the break. Simple solution. Getting on now. Now while loop is easy or harder? While loop is easy or harder? While loop easy. First to create the wrapper. First to create the wrapper. Now the assignment is, how many questions we did using for loop? All you need to done with while loop by tomorrow evening. All questions need to implement using while loop. All questions we did for loop, you need to implement using the while loop. This is assignment. Summation wrapper, counter wrapper, even and odd, game program, every program by using what? While loop. While loop is very simple. Wrapper only. Initial point to condition, increment or decrement. Under the exact whatever the for loop lines codes are there, keep inside the while loop. Getting amma? First to make ready your wrapper. Then copy the for loop line codes and put in the while loop. Try it. That is only the thing. Online students, understood? This is assignment. Chalo, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you so much.